Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Naman Baby, and you are watching our little kittens natural play. They love nature and now they are exploring nature. That's Mango, and down we have Charcoal and Oreo. Meow. Meow meow. That's the cute play. Meow, 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 meow. Mango is eating grasses, see? Cats sometimes eat grasses to digest. They think means the food, or sometimes for vomiting. Cute Charcoal is watching Mango carefully. Nice. Meow. 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 Okay friends, thank you for watching. Keep watching Andaman Baby. Bye bye.